Steel Dynamics, building the future of American steel manufacturing. In the highly competitive global steel industry, few companies have achieved the level of growth, efficiency, and innovation demonstrated by Steel Dynamics, Inc. SDI. Founded in 1993 and headquartered in Fort Wayne, Indiana, Steel Dynamics has grown from a regional steel producer into one of the largest and most technologically advanced steel manufacturers in North America. Through strategic investments, modern production technologies, and a strong commitment to sustainability, the company has established itself as a major force in the global metals market. Today, Steel Dynamics operates an extensive network of steel mills, fabrication facilities, recycling operations, and logistics assets that support a wide range of industries, including construction, automotive manufacturing, energy, transportation, heavy equipment, and infrastructure development. The company's vertically integrated business model allows it to control critical aspects of its supply chain while maintaining high-quality standards and competitive production costs. Core business activities. Steel Dynamics focuses on three primary business segments: steel operations, metals recycling, and steel fabrication. The steel operations segment is the heart of the company, producing millions of tons of finished steel products annually. These products serve customers across North America and selected international markets. The company's mills manufacture a diverse range of flat-rolled steel, structural steel, engineered bar products, rail products, and specialty steels. The metals recycling segment supplies a significant portion of the raw materials required for steel production. Through its subsidiary operations, Steel Dynamics collects, processes, and recycles ferrous and non-ferrous scrap metal from industrial, commercial, and consumer sources. This recycling network provides a reliable feedstock for the company's electric arc furnace operations while reducing environmental impact. Steel fabrication represents another important component of the business. The company manufactures value-added construction products such as steel joists, decking systems, and structural components used in commercial buildings, industrial facilities, warehouses, and infrastructure projects throughout North America. This integrated approach creates operational efficiencies that help Steel Dynamics remain competitive even during periods of market volatility. Advanced manufacturing technologies. One of the defining characteristics of Steel Dynamics is its commitment to modern manufacturing technologies. Unlike traditional integrated steelmakers that rely heavily on blast furnaces and iron ore, Steel Dynamics primarily uses electric arc furnace (EAF) technology. Electric arc furnaces melt recycled steel scrap using high-powered electrical currents. This method offers several advantages over conventional steelmaking processes. EAF operations require lower capital investment, provide greater production flexibility, consume less energy, and generate significantly lower carbon emissions. The manufacturing process typically begins with the collection and preparation of scrap metal. The scrap is carefully sorted and processed to ensure consistent chemical composition. Once prepared, it is charged into electric arc furnaces where temperatures exceed 1,600 degrees Celsius, melting the metal into liquid steel. Following the melting stage, the molten steel undergoes refining processes to remove impurities and adjust chemical compositions according to customer specifications. Alloying elements such as manganese, chromium, nickel, and molybdenum may be added to achieve desired mechanical properties. The refined steel is then transferred to continuous casting machines, where it solidifies into semi-finished products such as slabs, billets, or blooms. These products move through rolling mills where they are transformed into finished steel products with precise dimensions and surface characteristics. For specialized applications, additional processing steps may include heat treatment, galvanizing, coating, pickling, or cold rolling. These finishing operations enhance corrosion resistance, strength, appearance, and overall performance. By combining advanced automation, digital monitoring systems, and sophisticated quality control procedures, Steel Dynamics maintains exceptionally high production efficiency and product consistency. Product portfolio. Steel Dynamics offers one of the most diverse product portfolios in the North American steel industry. Flat-rolled steel products. Flat-rolled steel represents one of the company's most important product categories. These products include hot-rolled steel coils, cold-rolled steel coils, galvanized steel sheets, painted steel products, advanced high-strength steels. These materials are widely used in automotive manufacturing, appliances, construction equipment, agricultural machinery, and industrial applications. Structural steel products. The company is a major producer of structural steel used in large-scale construction projects. Structural products include wide-flange beams, structural channels, angles, steel columns, heavy construction sections. These products play a critical role in the construction of skyscrapers, bridges, stadiums, manufacturing plants, and transportation infrastructure. Engineered bar products. Steel Dynamics manufactures high-quality engineered bar products designed for demanding mechanical applications. These products are used in automotive drivetrains, heavy machinery, industrial equipment, mining operations, energy systems. Engineered bars require precise metallurgical control and exceptional mechanical performance, making them among the company's most technically advanced products. Rail products. The company also manufactures premium rail products for freight and passenger transportation systems. These rails are engineered to withstand extreme loading conditions while maintaining long service life and reliability. Construction fabrication products. Through its fabrication operations, Steel Dynamics supplies steel joists, roof decking, floor decking, structural framing components. These products are essential for commercial and industrial building construction throughout North America. Sustainability and recycling leadership. Environmental sustainability has become a defining feature of Steel Dynamics' corporate strategy. Because the company relies heavily on recycled scrap metal, its production model naturally supports a circular economy. Millions of tons of scrap metal that might otherwise enter landfills are transformed into new steel products each year. Electric arc furnace technology produces substantially lower greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional blast furnace steelmaking. As governments and industries increasingly focus on carbon reduction, Steel Dynamics is well-positioned to meet growing demand for environmentally responsible steel products. The company continuously invests in energy efficiency initiatives, water conservation programs, emissions reduction technologies, and responsible resource management practices. These efforts not only reduce environmental impact, but also improve operational efficiency and long-term competitiveness. Export markets and international presence. Although Steel Dynamics primarily serves the North American market, the company also participates in international trade through exports of steel products and fabricated components. Canada and Mexico represent the company's most significant export destinations due to their close economic integration with the United States. These neighboring markets consume a broad range of Steel Dynamics products for construction, automotive production, manufacturing, and infrastructure development. The company also exports selected products to customers in Latin America, Europe, and Asia, particularly when market conditions create favorable opportunities. Flat-rolled steel, engineered bar products, structural steel, and specialty grades are among the most commonly exported materials. Global demand for high-quality steel products continues to create opportunities for Steel Dynamics to expand its international customer base while maintaining its strong domestic market position. Future growth and strategic vision. Steel Dynamics continues to pursue ambitious growth initiatives designed to strengthen its position in the global metals industry. Recent investments have focused on expanding flat-rolled steel capacity, enhancing recycling operations, and developing advanced manufacturing capabilities. The company has also entered the aluminum sector, recognizing the growing importance of lightweight materials in transportation and industrial applications. Automation, digitalization, artificial intelligence, and advanced process control systems are expected to play an increasingly important role in future operations. These technologies will help improve efficiency, product quality, and responsiveness to customer needs. As infrastructure investment, industrial development, and manufacturing activity continue to grow across North America, Steel Dynamics appears well-positioned to capitalize on long-term demand for steel and related products. Conclusion: Steel Dynamics has established itself as one of America's most successful steel manufacturers through a combination of technological innovation, operational excellence, environmental responsibility, and strategic growth. Its modern electric arc furnace facilities, extensive recycling network, diverse product portfolio, and expanding international presence provide a strong foundation for future success. As the steel industry evolves to meet the challenges of sustainability, efficiency, and global competition, Steel Dynamics remains at the forefront of modern steelmaking. The company's commitment to innovation and responsible manufacturing ensures that it will continue playing a vital role in supporting construction, transportation, energy, and industrial development for decades to come.